Hello everyone, welcome back to Mucha Coding Hub. If you have not subscribed, kindly you can subscribe, and if you like this kind of video, you can as well like. So today I'm going to show you how to put a perfect background image, like this one that you can see on the screen, on your website by the help of CSS. Okay, so straight away we are going to put some CSS. This is the HTML page that we want to attach the image. Now we have the CSS file right here, and then we have linked it to this HTML file on the head section, as you can see. Now you need an image. That's why we have created an image folder right here, and inside the image folder there is an image of an Iceland, this one, and make sure that the image that you're going to use it's a very quality image, so that when it stretches out on the entire web page it maintains the quality. All right, now we are going straight to our CSS and start the styling. Okay, now we want this image to be attached on the entire body. Now that means we are going to style our body tag. Okay, so body, then we give it some CSS. Now we want to put that image. Okay, we can put the image by saying background image, and then URL. We can give it we follow this file tree, the img, then inside Iceland, so img/Iceland. Okay, there you go. After that we are going to save it and see what's happening on the web page. You can see now the image is there, but it is repeating itself to cover the whole page. But that's not the case that we want. We want this particular image to cover the entire page by its own. Okay, on its own. So we are going to continue with our styling. So we can remove the repeat by saying background repeats and say no repeat. Okay, and then we can save that and see what's happening. You can see now the image is only one, but it is attached to the far top left corner. That's not the case. We want this image to cover the entire page. Now we can remove this image to the center. Okay, how are we going to do that? Now we are going to use a background position center. There's another property and value, background position, then we can say center, like that, and then we can save that, and then we can see what's happening. Now you can see it is on the center, but far top. Okay, for it to come back, we can say background attachment, background, let us go and say background attachment, then we can say fixed, like that. Let us see what's happening. Now our image is on the absolute center of the page, but we want it to stretch to cover the entire page. That means we have another property that we need to execute so that it might be the way we want it to be. So the last property is the background size. Background size, and then we can give it a cover to cover the entire body. Okay, when we save it, then we go to our page. Finally, you can see the image has covered the entire page successfully. Now, if you like this kind of videos, you can you can subscribe to Mucha Coding Hub, And if you have any kind of question as well, you can ask from the comment section. Thank you. Let's meet on the other video.